Okay, let's resume Unit 10.
Takes a cautious position over scientists' participation in research. The panel's interim report, issued in late January, takes a cautious position over scientists' participation in research. Unit 10, Scientists and Dual-Use Technologies. 2. The report raises an important point, that it is difficult for scientists to control how their research results will be used. It notes that since scientists cannot completely control the exit of their research, they must make careful judgment at the entrance. The report's warning applies to every kind of research, including research ostensibly for non-military purposes. Scientists should realize that if they take part in research projects funded by the Defense Ministry, it will be all the more difficult or almost impossible for them to control the eventual application of their research results. In that context, the report says that while defense-related joint research by a business and an academic institution carries the risk of reduced transparency, the transparency of a Defense Ministry-funded project will be even lower due to much greater constraints placed on scientists concerning both the research process and the use of its results. The views of the Council's members on the issue are reportedly mixed. SCJ Chief Onishi himself is facing criticism for his position that appears to contradict the cautious stance in the report. A researcher at his university applied for the Defense Ministry program in 2015 with a proposal for research on the development of a gas mask, which was accepted. Onishi says there is nothing wrong with the research because a gas mask is not an offensive weapon and can also be used to protect workers at chemical plants in case of accidents. Some may agree that participation in the Defense Ministry program is justifiable if the research results are used for development of self-defense equipment. But they should heed the words of caution in the report that defensive and offensive purpose military technologies are often inseparable, and that results of scientific research can be diverted to military purposes, including offensive ones, irrespective of scientists' intentions. Among SCJ members, opinions calling for changing or dropping the vow against defense-related research are said to be strong among natural science and engineering scholars. Behind this are the cuts in government research subsidies for universities, resulting in a shortage of research funds for natural science and engineering departments. The government has meanwhile decided to set up a panel at the Cabinet Office to discuss ways to expand research on dual-use technologies involving the Defense Ministry and other government organizations, academia, and private sector research institutions. Such policies combined threaten to distort the direction of Japan's scientific research. To support the healthy growth of scientific research, the government should change its direction and take steps to boost funds for research to improve people's lives, as the report calls for. As it points out, expanded government spending on defense-related research could place a financial strain on pure academic research and hamper basic research.
So, sorry about the division and the initial botch. Okay.